Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to take you on a quick tour of our English 201 Blackboard site, as well as showing you some of the other websites that we'll be using for class this short term. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to log on to Blackboard. I always find this page, which is just the standard John Jay Blackboard login. You can click here to log on to Blackboard. That will bring you to a CUNY First login. I am already logged in, so I can't show you that. The other way to get in is just to go to the CUNY First homepage and log in that way. Either way, note that the login information for Blackboard is the same as your CUNY First login info and not your John Jay email login info. They're two different login names and passwords. So once you are on our class page, or actually once you are logged onto Blackboard, you will see a list of your courses. Scroll down until you find this class. For me, it's pretty far down the page. It's right here. And once I find it, I'm going to click that button and I will see an announcements page. At this point, I do not have announcements for you guys, so you see here that the page is blank. I'm actually going to write an announcement very shortly, so when you all log on for the first time, you should see an announcement here just kind of welcoming you to the class and orienting you in the way that I'm also orienting you a little bit here. The most important thing is that you see a blue navigation menu over here on the left side. That is where all of the links are for everything that we are doing this semester. That is where all the action happens. If you don't see it, chances are it's because it's minimized. So there's this little arrow here that says hide course menu. That's often clicked randomly for some reason. So in order to find the course menu, go ahead and unclick it. And then you will see links to everything that you need to know, including course information. This is our course policy statement. Sometimes it's minimized too, in which case it looks like this. But this is our course policy statement. It tells you everything that you need to know about the class, when we meet, how we meet, what the class is about, what it entails, the assignments that you're going to have, what those assignments are worth, pretty much every policy that I have about the class you can find in this document. And then if you continue to scroll down, you're going to find the daily work schedule for the class. Because this is a compressed class, we're doing what is typically done in 16 weeks in a very short period of time. You'll see that we have a pretty hefty work schedule all 4 days of the work week. So you can find that schedule in full here, daily work schedule, but I'm also going to show you the way that I've broken that schedule down into specific days over in the left-hand navigation menu in just 1 second. Okay, so you'll also find faculty information here. This is just my email address so that you always have it. This is the Zoom link to my office hours. It's the same Zoom link that you'll use for synchronous class, and you can actually find the link to it right here. And I don't think it's going to launch. Well, it's going to launch, but I'm not logged in. But I will be when you log in. So it's kind of our forever link, right? Because I'm the host and I haven't started it. So this is our forever link. But when you click it, I will have started the meeting and it will work for you. You can always come here. We're Zooming. You can see this in our course schedule, and you can see this in other places too, but we're Zooming on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 until 12:30. And then you can also Zoom to speak with me in office hours on Mondays from 9 to 10 and by appointment. So the way that I've organized this course and the way that I want you to navigate this course is I've broken it down into daily work. So for every day that the class is running, you have a certain amount of work that you need to complete. That work is going to happen either synchronously, we're doing it all together at the same time on Zoom. That's on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 to 12:30, or it's happening asynchronously. So you're doing it on your own at some point before midnight on Mondays and Wednesdays on the other weekdays. So what you'll do to figure out what your work is every day is to go ahead and just click on the name of that day over here in the left-hand navigation menu. So for Monday, for example, the very first day of class, you'll click here, and all of your asynchronous work will be due by midnight on that day, and in fact will disappear after midnight. So things are, because this class moves so quickly, everything is just kind of due when it's due. The videos and stuff like that, the instructional materials won't disappear, but the quizzes and the assessments will. So you have to do everything within the allotted time frame. So for example, Monday the 3rd, our first day of class, I would like you to watch the welcome video, this very video that I'm creating right now, how to navigate this course, read the policy statement and the daily work schedule, take a quiz about the policies, set up your e-portfolio, write a discussion board post, post that discussion board post, and then finally complete a writing assignment for a reflective journal. The way that you find all of these things, so again, this is just a list right here. Initially, you'll see a list of the things that you have to do. In order to find out how to do each of these things, you simply scroll down the page. So when I say watch the welcome video, scroll on down, check it out. There I am with my mouth open, about to talk to you in the welcome video. So you'd watch that first. Then I say to you, number 2, watch the screencast, how to navigate this course. You won't see that yet because I am currently creating it. But when you go in to do this, you will see this screencast link. And then you'll watch this. Read the 201 policy statement and daily work schedule. You'll scroll down. You'll see this link. You'll see this link. To get to the links, you simply click on them. There it is. It's a Google Doc. And so on and so forth. Then after you do these things, I have a quiz for you to take on the policies and the way that the class will work. So you can click on that link. You will continue. You will take the quiz. I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now. In fact, I'm going to just use my back button. But as you can see, the links for everything, the way to access all of your assignments and all of the course material, simply to click on the links. So policies quiz, click on the link for the Digication tutorial, click on the link to write and submit your About Me, click on the link to let me know you set up your Digication, click on the link to write and submit your reflective journal. So that's day 1, right? That's Monday the 3rd. Again, Tuesdays and Thursdays we meet synchronously, but I still have stuff in each of these days, if that makes sense. So these are the things that we'll do in class, but we'll all do them together. So you can still kind of look on Tuesday, or I'll ask you in class to click on the Tuesday link to access readings and other materials that we'll use while we're synchronously in class together on Zoom, and so on and so forth. So, you know, same drill for Wednesday the 5th, that is an asynchronous day. Click on that link, list of things that need to be happening, right? Here is, actually these are in the wrong order. Here is the reading, here is the quiz, here is the longer paper prompt. So that's it. That's how you navigate the course. The other thing that I wanted to show you just very quickly is Digication. If you're not already familiar with it, you can, I always just go John J. Digication. I might have to log on. It's been a little bit. Nope, there I am. So this brings you again to your sort of home page for Digication, and this is where you guys will do your e-portfolios for English 201. If you're not familiar with e-portfolios, if you did not do them in your English 101 class, I've got some explanation about them built in, and you can always reach out and I'll talk to you a little bit more. We also have some e-turns coming from Digication to help us out creating our e-portfolios on our first synchronous day together, Tuesday. So I look forward to seeing your Monday work by Monday at midnight. I hope that this tutorial where I kind of showed you how to navigate the course was helpful, please reach out if you have any questions or concerns, and then I will see you not in person, but I will see you live for our synchronous class. That is Tuesday, again, we meet from 9 to 12:30. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.